Hey girlfriends, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying the infamous Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. So let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so if you guys see the shirt in the next video, that's neither here nor there. Mind your business. But so we're gonna try the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in. I got my wrapperoo bag. If you are interested, Amazon store, link below. But yeah, so of course this is the infamous leave-in, one of the most popular and OG leave-in. A lot of people either it's like you hate it or you love it. I have literally just co-washed my hair with the Shea Moisture High Porosity line. It's what is the word? It's like it's discontinued. But I had some left, so that's what I used. So, I shouldn't be detangling my hair. Well, it still has some naps in it, so I'm not worried. Maybe I should put it back in a bun real quick. So this is what it looks like. I got mine at Target for $9.99, but I think it depends on your Target or I think Walmart, because sometimes I see it for $9.99 and sometimes I see it for $12.99. This has 8 ounces in it. It says Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In and Detangler. And for the directions, it says, get that comb to glide through your hair. Can't get that comb to glide out of your hair? Well, not today. This creamy herbal conditioner is enriched with botanical extracts and is designed to smooth the cuticle and to remove knots, snarls, and tangles from thick curly hair. And for the directions, it says apply generously, work through troubled sections with a wide-toothed comb. And it's cool because it has like for thick coarse hairs and it has for loose wavy curls as well. The ingredients are pretty short and to the point. It does have marshmallow root. My hair doesn't seem to like marshmallow too much, but we'll see. It is I can't think of the word right now, but it does have a little piece of paper, so you know people are not sticking their fingers, spitting or whatever in your products. Do y'all remember when people was going around licking ice cream? That's so dirty. Oh, it smells good. It smells bubblegummy, maybe a little floral. So we're gonna see. Okay, texture. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's very slippery. Yeah, I can feel it already. I know they got some slip. Leave-ins are not like a leave-in. It's not gonna style your hair. It is not a styler. It is a leave-in. Especially right now, you know it's cold, so you need that extra moisture in your hair. So it's not gonna, okay. It's not gonna style your hair. Like, you don't just put this in and run about your day. Especially if you live in a humid area. Okay, so slip is on 10. Yeah, that has slip. I wonder if it's moisturizing. But it says leave in. It does detangle. It got some slip. Okay, let's try again. And I am going to see if this works under other products. Because that's, you know, leave-ins are really good for that too. Well, like, if it's not going to be a successful leave-in if it doesn't work under products. I mean, of course, not everything's going to work together. But, you know what I mean, jelly bean. Okay. So, that feels good. That feels really good. And with my hair being color treated, I think I should always have a leave-in because my hair is always dry. I try not to part my hair right in the middle because, oh, I need to stop doing that because, girl, we like volume. I don't go in with really small sections when I'm doing my leave-in typically, unless I'm feeling it that day. But for my leave-in, I'll just do some big chunks, you know, split your hair in 4 or whatever and do it that way. But when I go in with my styling product, I want to make sure it's on every little drop. Yeah, it's looking good. It feels good. It smells good. I see a little frizz, but I probably just need to go back and hit that area. But I see little to no frizz. Compared to this, yeah, it's looking real good, y'all. I'm liking it. Have you guys tried the custard? I wasn't too interested in the custard. I don't know why. But, like, I know it's not recommended to start at the top, but, like, I can do that with this. The slip is amazing. It almost reminds me of the Jane Carter Solutions. Their leave-in's really good as well. And I'm just gonna bring my bangs forward. Or whatever's left of them. Put a little extra leave-in there. Okay, so I am going to apply my products and we're gonna see if it works well, if it starts curdling or whatever. I'll let you guys know, and I'll be right back. And if you guys want to see what I style my hair with, check last week's video. It'll be there. Just put the products in my hair. I just did a gel over top of the gel on top of the leave-in, and it actually looks pretty good. I don't see any curdling. I didn't see any crazy concoctions going on. My curls do look really good, really shiny. So I'm gonna do some face real quick. Let me put on some eyebrows and I'll be back. I'm done. My hair is air dried. My hair is like 99% dry. There's some little curls in the back that are barely wet. But I like it. I'm still getting used to my hair now that it's growing out and the bangs are no longer bangs. Like if I use the diffuser, I'll have bangs. But if I don't use the diffuser, I don't have bangs. And I just can't be bothered. I can't be asked to use my diffuser right now. It's just too much work. It's too tiring. I'd rather sit there. Sorry. I'd rather sit there and just wait it out. So that's exactly what I did. My curls are definitely moisturized. Absolutely beautiful. Elongated, of course, because I air dry. But for the leave-in conditioner, I absolutely love it. I 100% recommend it. It does everything that it claims to do. Where is it actually? It says it's designed to smooth the cuticle and remove knots, and I think that's exactly what it did. My hair feels moisturized. It has I hate that. Whoa. It had, oh my gosh, like I don't really like that either. Okay, we're gonna listen to you. Whatever you want to do. Is that what you want? Okay. What was I saying? So much slip. Like, my hands already melted through my hair. Like the tangles just went away immediately. So I absolutely recommend the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in. I haven't reviewed a leave-in on my channel yet, so here we go. But thank you guys so much for watching. It definitely gets you stamped from me. I will see you guys next time. Keep deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.